Hey guys, welcome back. So today now we are starting bar graph. So we are now plotting bar graph using MatPlotLib, and as we all know, bar graph is used to compare things between different groups and to measure changes over time. You all have already studied. So now let's see how to plot it using Python. So what we are our package is MatPlotLib, and from there we will import pyplot, and this time we are gonna use bar function. Earlier we were using plot function. So let's see one basic example. So first we are gonna import, so write import, this will bring in so our package matplotlib, import matplotlib dot pyplot. We are importing pyplot from matplotlib, and let's give pyplot a name as plt so that we don't have to type pyplot over again and again. Okay, this will create an alias. Okay, so now let's just, this is a very basic example, so I'm not declaring the variables, I'm directly passing data. Okay, so in the bar function, so let's now call the bar function using plt. So plt dot bar, and then the arguments. So the first list containing set of x coordinates, I'm passing list here. So this is a list of x coordinates. My data type is list, which is passed as an argument to the bar function. So it contains a set of x coordinates used to plot the bar graph. So 1 3 4, let's take 7 9. Okay, then next argument is another list containing set of y coordinates. So 5 2 7 8 3. Then I want one label to be, no, I want my graph label as well. So just write label is equal to example1. Okay, so I'm not giving any color, so the default color, the graph will be in default color, that is blue. So let's now plot the another bar graph. So again use the bar function, bar method. So plt dot bar, again pass the arguments. So here the x coordinates will be okay, then y coordinates, list, my variable is list, so data type is list. So 5 2 7 8 4. Here also I'm giving the label, so label is equal to example2. Okay, then I want this graph to be displayed in color green. So write color, color is equal to G. So this will generate two bar graphs. Now I want the labels to be displayed in a rectangular box, so use the legend function for that. So plt dot legend function. Then I want my x-axis name as bar number and y-axis name as bar, right? So again use the x label function method and y label method. So again call them plt dot x label x-axis name I want as bar number, then the y-axis name as bar height. So we will use the function y label method. So no, okay, keep the name bar height. Okay, so I want the title as well. So again use the title function, plt dot title. In the arguments pass the name whatever you want to be displayed info. Okay, so this is generated our one basic bar graph. So now I want to see the whatever has been generated, so use the show function. Now press shift plus enter. Okay, so here you can see our bar graph has been generated using MatPlotLib. So data is in visualized form. So for 1 we have 5, for 3, 2. Okay, so I think one graph has been overlapped. Yeah, so this is my x-axis, this is y-axis, this is title info, this is the legend. Just put this in rectangular, and then this label is equal to example 1 is for blue, default blue, and then color is equal to G, so this graph is example 2. So this is very easy, so let's now move on to the next one. So have a great day, bye bye.